Here I have a very old Craftsman saw, and I'm going to change the blade on it, but this is tight, very tight, and you can see the damage that I have already done to it. So, we should know better by now, but I guess not. I'm going to put this Black & Decker Piranha blade on there. First thing I'm going to do is open this up as wide as it'll go, so we have access to the blade. Now you can use an impact wrench, an electric impact wrench, an impact driver, like I have here. We all have these by now, I think. I have a 3/8 adapter on there, and a socket. And it's as simple as that. So we'll go ahead and take that blade out. Put our new blade in. A brand new Piranha blade. The process is the same. And there you have it. No more playing around, no more rounding off that nut. Here together. So here I have another old Sears saw. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I did forget to put that on, but I'll take care of that. It's the same thing, same process. Impact driver and a socket. Alright. So that's all I have to show you. Now it just so happens that this saw also had a Black & Decker Piranha blade on it. Except that was an 18 tooth. This one is a 24.